This is Josie. Welcome to my channel. Hi friends, and welcome once again back here to my channel. Today we're going to work on a Boss Baby centerpiece, and I already went ahead and painted the box baby pink. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut strands of this, what are they called? Rhinestones. And they come in a roll when I buy them. And usually what I do is I cut off a piece. And then I'm going to cut at 2 rows strand. So 1, 2, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut right up the string like so. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut 2 since I'm gonna put them on the top and bottom of my box. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and glue him on the top, and I'm thinking maybe on the side, we'll see. But as of right now, we're doing top and bottom. So I'm going to add glue on the top. I'm gonna get my glue stick, glue at the top, right there at the edge, and then I'm just gonna lay down the strand of rhinestones like so, all the way around the box. And once I'm done with the top part, I'm gonna go ahead and continue and do the bottom. And this is how it looks. So now I'm gonna put the front part of it, and that's just gonna be glued down like so. So I'm gonna get my glue gun again and just put a square. I'm gonna outline the square with glue, and then I'm just gonna place it down on my box. And this is how it looks so far. So my next step is going to add the styrofoam inside the box. So this is just a square styrofoam that I cut down from a bigger styrofoam. I add glue at the bottom, give it a little push down and push it. Let me just go back really quick here and glue that part. So this is how the box looks. And while that styrofoam dries and sticks to the bottom, I'm going to work on the cutout, and I think I'm going to go ahead and add rhinestones all around the picture. Let's see how it looks. Again, for this one, I'm only going to cut 1 strand, so a single strand instead of the 2 that I did for the box. And I'm going to glue it down like so. I'm going to do it hot glue. Just put a little bit on the bottom and then start working my way around. And you know what? I like it. I like how it's shiny and glittery, and it's Boss Baby. So next I'm going to go ahead and take my dowel, and I'm going to measure again how high from the top of the box I want the image, and it usually is the dowel ends at the top of the image. Let me see if I can get a better You see how that is? So I think that's how high I want it. So I'm going to put my thumb right there, add the glue, and then I'm just going to place the cutout on top of the dowel, like so. And then I'm just going to press on it, not too hard, but just enough. And there you guys have it, the cutout on the dowel. And if you guys have watched my previous videos, you guys know that I always like to add hot glue at the bottom of the stick when I put it on the styrofoam or stab it in the styrofoam, so the dowel doesn't move after it dries. So it's gonna look like that. Let me see if I can get a better move the camera. So it's gonna look like that. So next step is going to be tissue paper, and I'm going to use hot pink and baby pink for this centerpiece. And instead of doing one color pattern, I'm just gonna go ahead and layer the baby pink and the hot pink together. I'm gonna add glue to the bottom of the tissue, and then I'm going to stick it to the side of the box. And that's how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all the way around now. I wish I could actually work that fast, guys, but there you guys have it. A simple, easy way to make a very nice baby boss centerpiece. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is the part where you guys make it yours and personalize it. And don't forget to take those pictures and tag me on my Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time.